Welcome. If you've been getting distracted by Telegram notifications constantly popping up on your PC, especially with full text previews, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you step by step on how to disable the text for notifications on the Telegram desktop app, following the latest update. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep notifications clean and distraction-free, while still staying alerted to new messages. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once the app is running, look towards the top left-hand corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Click on it to reveal the main side menu. From here, find and select the option labeled Settings. This is where you can manage all your preferences inside the app. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to Notifications and Sounds. This section allows you to control how Telegram alerts you whenever new messages arrive. Now here's the important step. Look for the option that says Text. By default, this box will usually be checked, meaning Telegram shows you a preview of the message content directly in the notification. If you'd like to stop message text from appearing, simply uncheck this box. And that's it. From now on, your notifications will still alert you when you receive a new message, but they won't show the text right there on your screen. This is a great way to reduce distractions, avoid spoilers in group chats, and add an extra layer of privacy if someone happens to look over your shoulder while you're working on your computer. This small adjustment can make your Telegram experience feel tidier and less intrusive, while still keeping you informed. If you ever change your mind and want text previews back, just return to the same settings and recheck that box. So, the quick recap. Open Telegram, click the three lines at the top, go into Settings, choose Notifications and Sounds, and uncheck Text. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for following along.